Meet Jim. Jim is in charge of purchasing for a manufacturer that relies on high-performance precision metal tubulars. Jim likes his job, but he's faced with a big challenge: the need to constantly improve technical performance while simultaneously reducing cost and improving lead times. Jim was starting to feel stretched in two different directions until he learned about a unique manufacturing process called flowforming. The innovative folks at Dynamic Flowform explained that precision flowforming is an advanced, cold metal forming process that basically allows you to stretch a metal cylinder to exact dimensions, up to 4 to 6 times its starting length. They claim they can do this to tubes ranging from half-inch to 25-inch diameter by 40 feet long, with up to 1.5-inch walls. At first, Jim was a bit skeptical, but then he learned more about how it works. You see, at Dynamic Flowform, they take a cylindrical piece of metal and slip it over an inner mandrel. Then, 3 rollers apply uniform, controlled compressive forces to the outside diameter of this workpiece. The material is compressed beyond its yield point, a process known as plastic deformation, and made to flow. The outside diameter of the workpiece is reduced, and the available material volume is made to flow longitudinally over the inner rotating mandrel until the desired final tube length is achieved. It's pretty amazing. Jim discovered that this process offers dimensional, metallurgical, and most importantly, economic benefits. As he listened, he became more interested. He realized that flow forming is an enabling technology, making it possible to form to very precise dimensions, eliminating the need for finish machining. Next, Jim learned that the cold working process actually increases the strength and hardness of the metal. For example, it's possible to increase the yield strength by 50%, and the resultant microstructure of the material is substantially refined, improving fatigue and wear life. Now, understanding how the process works, it became more clear to Jim that flow forming is capable of forming precision tubulars without the need for drilling and machining operations, saving metal and labor costs. For example, flow forming a hollow is more economical when compared to buying bar stock and drilling out the center, which creates a lot of expensive scrap chips, whereas flow forming is a chipless process, conserving metal with no waste. Technical improvements, cost savings, Jim was impressed, so he decided to partner with Dynamic Flowform, and the resulting benefits helped Jim's company achieve a real competitive advantage in the marketplace. And Jim became the hero at his firm by reducing component cost by more than 20%. Since 1973, Dynamic Flowform has perfected and mastered its craft, and has grown to be known as the world's leader in flow forming, having formed more than 60 different alloys in countless shapes and sizes for unique applications. Having a can-do attitude and embracing technology has always helped Dynamic become more efficient, competitive, and helpful to their customers. Dynamic is exclusively focused on flowform technology, an educator, innovator, and manufacturer who has the experience to reliably get the job done correctly. For more information, do what Jim did. Contact Dynamic Flowform today.